Dear students, in previous topic we have defined the field. Today we will define the order axioms. How can we say that number is positive? If a number is greater than 0, then it is positive. And how can we say that a number is negative? If this number is less than 0. Now we define order axioms. There are four rules included in order axioms. Trichotomy rule. For all AB belongs to F, where F is a field. So there is at least only one condition will be true from A greater than B or A equal to B or A less than B. The second one, transitive law. For all AB belongs to field. If A greater than B and B greater than C, then A greater than C. This rule is said to be transitive rule. Third one, monotone law of addition. For all AB belongs to field. If A greater than B, then A plus C will be greater than B plus C. For all C belongs to F. This is also said order of addition. Fourth property, monotone law of multiplication. For any two elements of the field F, if A is greater than B, implies that AC is greater than BC if C is greater than 0. How can we define ordered field? A field F obeys all four axioms of the order is called order field. It means it is the exact definition of the ordered field. So a field holding the order axioms, then it is said to be ordered field. For examples, Q is stand for set of real number. Q plus into is an example of the ordered field. R is stand for set of real number. Is also ordered field. Now we define positive class. A non-white subset P of a field F is called positive class if for all AB belongs to P, then A plus B belongs to P and A into B belongs to B. Second property, if non-zero element of the field, then either A belongs to P or minus A belongs to P. From these we calculate one result. If A and B are two field elements, then A minus B belongs to P, then A greater than B. This is an important conclusion of the positive class. Now we will prove some theorems. F is a ordered field, means field plus order exists. We consider three elements x, y, z belongs to F. X greater than y greater than z, implied that x is greater than z. How can we prove it? X is greater than y, implies that x minus y belongs to P. And y greater than z implies that y minus z greater than belongs to P by important inclusion of the positive class. Now x minus y and y minus z belongs to P. Imply that x minus y plus y minus z belongs to P. By definition of the positive class. After simplification, it implies that x minus z belongs to P. Implies that x is greater than z by conclusion of the positive class. Hence, it is an exact proof of the theorem. Now, theorem, in an ordered field, we have to show that x is greater than 0, implies that minus x is less than 0. X is greater than 0, implies that x inverse greater than 0. Third, x greater than 0 and y less than 0, implies that x into y less than 0. And fourth and last is x square is greater than equal to 0. So the proofs are very simple. I will show the first. Since x is greater than 0, it is given. X belongs to field members, ordered field members. So x belongs to field members. So F plus is an abelian group. So minus x will be present in field because additive inverse exists. So minus x added in both sides. X plus minus x greater than 0 plus bracket of minus x. Left side 0 greater than minus x. So this can be written minus x less than 0. This is the proof of this theorem. Now, second, x greater than 0 implies that x is not equal to 0. So